Welcome to English Academy by Monica. This lesson is designed for learners who want to speak English naturally in daily life, without pressure, without confusion, and without complicated grammar rules. Here, English is taught slowly, clearly, and in a way that fits into real life. Daily routine sentences are the backbone of spoken English. When you use these sentences every day, your confidence improves automatically. You stop translating in your head, and English starts coming naturally. Let's begin with simple, powerful sentences that describe everyday actions. Sentence 1. I wake up early every morning. This sentence is used to talk about a regular habit. It shows discipline, routine, and consistency. Example: when someone asks about your lifestyle, you can say, I wake up early every morning, so I have enough time to plan my day, pray, exercise, and prepare myself mentally before work or study. Sentence 2. I brush my teeth and wash my face. This sentence is very common in daily conversation. It is often used when talking about morning routines. Example: you might say, after I wake up, I brush my teeth and wash my face, and that helps me feel fresh and ready to start my day. Sentence 3. I take a shower before breakfast. This sentence shows sequence in your routine. It sounds natural and clear in spoken English. Example: in a normal conversation, you can say, I usually take a shower before breakfast because it helps me feel active and focused throughout the morning. Sentence 4. I get dressed and get ready for the day. This sentence is useful for work, school, or home routines. It sounds natural and fluent. No example here, just focus on understanding the structure and rhythm. Sentence 5. I have breakfast at home. This is a simple sentence, but native speakers use it all the time. It is clear, natural, and very practical. Sentence 6. I leave home at the same time every day. This sentence is excellent for talking about schedules and punctuality. It shows routine and responsibility. Sentence 7. I go to work or school on weekdays. This sentence helps you talk about your weekly routine in a clean and confident way. It is short, simple, and very effective. At this point, don't try to memorize everything at once. Listen carefully, repeat naturally, and imagine yourself doing these actions. That mental connection is what makes English stick in your mind. These sentences help you talk about what you do during the main part of your day. They are very common in real conversations, especially when people talk about work, study, or daily responsibilities. Sentence 8. I start my work in the morning. This sentence is used to talk about the beginning of your working time. It sounds natural and professional, and it fits both office work and personal tasks. Sentence 9. I check my emails and messages. This sentence is extremely common in modern life. People use it to describe their first action after starting work or study. Sentence 10. I focus on my tasks. This sentence shows seriousness and responsibility. It is often used when talking about productivity and discipline. Sentence 11. I take short breaks during work. This sentence helps you explain balance in your routine. It sounds healthy, realistic, and very natural in spoken English. Sentence 12. I have lunch in the afternoon. This sentence is simple but very useful. It is often used when talking about daily schedules or meal habits. Sentence 13. I talk to my coworkers or classmates. This sentence is helpful for social interaction topics. It sounds friendly and natural, especially in workplace or study conversations. Sentence 14. I finish my main work by evening. This sentence clearly describes the end of your daytime responsibilities. It is calm, confident, and commonly used in everyday English. These sentences may look simple, but they are powerful. When you use simple English correctly, people understand you easily. Clarity is always better than complexity in real communication. Let these sentences become familiar in your mind. Listen to them, repeat them softly, and connect them with your daily life. These sentences help you talk about your routine after work or study. They are very useful in daily conversations because people often ask what you do in the evening. Sentence 15. I return home in the evening. This sentence is used to describe coming back home after a long day. It sounds natural and relaxed. Example, you can say, I return home in the evening and the first thing I do is relax for a few minutes and disconnect from work. Sentence 16. I change my clothes and relax. This sentence shows comfort and routine. It is commonly used in casual conversations. Example, after talking about work, you might say, when I reach home, I change my clothes and relax because it helps me feel comfortable and calm. Sentence 17. I spend some time with my family. This sentence is very warm and positive. It is often used in friendly and personal conversations. Example, you can say, in the evening, I spend some time with my family, talk to them, and enjoy peaceful moments together. Sentence 18. I have dinner with my family. This sentence is simple but very meaningful. It shows connection and daily habit. In daily conversation, you might say, I usually have dinner with my family and we talk about our day while eating together. Sentence 19. I watch TV or use my phone. This sentence is very realistic and modern. Almost everyone can relate to it. Example, you can say, after dinner I watch TV or use my phone. Sentence 26. I manage my time carefully. This sentence is very powerful in interviews and daily conversations. It shows discipline and awareness. Sentence 27. I take care of my health. This sentence is simple but meaningful. It can include food, exercise, rest, and mental peace. Sentence 28. I try to improve myself every day. This sentence is positive and motivational. It is often used when talking about personal growth. These sentences describe habits that build a strong routine. When you use them regularly, your English sounds natural and confident. Focus on clarity, not speed. These sentences help you talk about learning, habits, and personal development. They are very useful for students, professionals, and self-learners. Sentence 29. I practice English every day. This sentence is perfect for language learners. It shows consistency and commitment. Sentence 30. I listen carefully when others speak. This Sentence 31. I ask questions when I don't understand. This sentence sounds confident and honest. It shows that learning is important to you. Sentence 32. I learn from my mistakes. This sentence is short but very powerful. It reflects maturity and a positive attitude. Sentence 33. I try to stay positive. This sentence is common in daily conversation. It sounds natural and motivating. Sentence 34. I take breaks when I feel tired. This sentence shows balance and self-care. Native speakers use it often. Sentence 35. I make time for myself. This sentence is calm and thoughtful. It is useful when talking about mental peace and balance. These sentences reflect a healthy and realistic lifestyle. When you speak about habits clearly, people understand you better. Simple English creates strong communication. These sentences help you talk about calm moments, reflection, and simple daily actions. They sound very natural and are often used in relaxed conversations. Sentence 36. I keep my phone away before sleeping. This sentence shows a healthy habit. It is common when talking about better sleep and focus. Sentence 37. I like to keep things simple. This sentence reflects mindset and lifestyle. It sounds calm, confident, and mature. Sentence 38. I spend some time alone. This sentence is useful when talking about peace and self-reflection. It sounds natural and honest. Sentence 39. I think about my day. This sentence is often used when talking about reflection. It fits evening or nighttime routines very well. Sentence 40. I feel grateful for small things. This sentence is emotional but simple. It is commonly used in positive, meaningful conversations. Sentence 41. I try to stay calm. This sentence is short and powerful. It is very useful in stressful situations. Sentence 42. I focus on what really matters. This sentence shows wisdom and clarity. It sounds thoughtful and natural in spoken English. These sentences help you express calm thoughts and emotions. When your English reflects your real feelings, it becomes more natural. There is no need to rush. Clarity comes with practice. These sentences help you talk about closing your day and maintaining balance in life. They sound natural, thoughtful, and very fluent in daily English. Sentence 43. I avoid stress as much as possible. This sentence is often used when talking about mental health and peace. It sounds mature and realistic. Sentence 44. I try not to overthink. This sentence is very common in modern English. It shows emotional awareness and calm thinking. Sentence 45. I stay away from negative people. This sentence is clear and confident. It is often used when talking about personal boundaries. Sentence 46. I remind myself to stay patient. This sentence shows self-control and emotional strength. It sounds natural and thoughtful. Sentence 47. I believe in consistent effort. This sentence is powerful and motivational. It is often used in conversations about success and growth. Sentence 48. I trust the process. This sentence is short but very strong. Native speakers use it to express patience and faith in progress. Sentence 49. I prepare myself for a better tomorrow. This sentence connects today with the future. It sounds hopeful, calm, and confident. These sentences help you express inner strength and balance. When you speak English with meaning, people feel your confidence. Simple words spoken clearly create the strongest impact. Sentence 50. I end my day with gratitude. This sentence is simple, calm, and very meaningful. It reflects peace, maturity, and a positive mindset. Native speakers often use sentences like this to talk about emotional balance and inner calm. Example, you can say, at night, I end my day with gratitude, thinking about the good moments, the lessons I learned, and the progress I made, even if the day was not perfect. Example, in a reflective conversation, you might say, no matter how busy or difficult my day is, I try to end my day with gratitude because it helps me sleep peacefully and wake up with a clear mind. If you truly want to improve your English, remember this: fluency does not come from big words or difficult grammar. It comes from daily use, clear thinking, and simple sentences spoken with confidence. When you practice English as part of your daily routine, it stops feeling like a subject. It becomes a habit. And habits shape your future. Speak slowly, speak clearly, speak every day. Your English does not need to be perfect. It only needs to be real. Thank you for learning with English Academy by Monica. Stay consistent, stay confident, and keep moving forward.